What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Oppo Find N. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra we got here is the Exynos version. It runs on Exynos 2200 and we got Snapdragon 888 on our Oppo Find N here. So let's see which device is going to score how much points in the benchmarking test score result and which device is going to be better in your daily usage considering the benchmarks. So here we go. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Oppo Find N. So first of all, let's just start with AnTuTu benchmark. So here you can see Oppo Find N scored 824,090 and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra scored 930,720. So the winner is Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see in all of these four, performance of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is better compared to Oppo Find N. So in this test, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now let's have a look on 3D Mark. So once again in this, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra as it is scored 7,484 in wildlife and 2,190 in wildlife extreme compared to 5,903 in wildlife and 1,555 in wildlife extreme achieved by Oppo Find N. So once again the winner is Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and you can give the credit to the better hardware specs we got on this device because Oppo Find N is running on the previous generation of Snapdragon flagship processor, that's Snapdragon 888, while Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is running on Exynos 2200, that is equivalent to Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So let's go back from here and let's have a look on the last test, and that's Geekbench 5. So in this, Oppo Find N scored 1128 in single core and 3355 in multi-core, while Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra scored 1167 in single core and 3723 in multi-core. So in single core the difference is not too much, but again in both single core and multi-core, performance of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is better compared to Oppo Find N. Let's go back and let's have a look on compute test score result, and this time the difference is huge as Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra scored 8,676 and Oppo Find N scored 4,763. So in all of these three tests, AnTuTu benchmark, Geekbench 5 and 3D Mark, and if you talk about the individual test inside all of these three tests, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. But Oppo Find N is also a very powerful device, and in your daily usage, you won't feel much difference, any kind of issues, but the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is going to be a bit better for sure. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.